Hello everyone. India is the country of the festivals. All occasions we come together and celebrate these occasions like on a festival. Today we are celebrate on a festival which showing the bond between the brothers and sisters, Raksha Bandhan. So we are going to organize an Rakhi competition for class 6 to 8. For class 6 topic is whatever available at home and theme cool colors. In this Rakhi we are going to make material required for the Rakhi making, woolen thread, satin ribbon, Fevicol, fabric colors, palette, cardboard, brush, masking tape, scissor, and some sequins, earbuds, and grains whatever available at home. So let's start on Rakhi making. First take two circles of the cardboard. One is big and one small. Then we are going to cut these earbuds like this. Only the cotton parts we required. With the Fevicol, we are going to stick these cotton earbuds at the edge of this circular shape of the cardboard like this. You can see how I going to stick it here. The same way we are going to stick so that we can decorate on one part of this Rakhi like that. We are going to apply on a Fevicol on it and you can stick also like this. Now one base we completed. Now we are going to take on a woolen thread and roll it on one piece of the cardboard paper like this and remove it from there. Then with the small piece of the woolen thread we are going to attach at the center, and then both the ends we are going to cut it like this so we get another shape of the woolen threads. That is also one base for our Rakhi. Now we are going to take on a small circle shape of the cardboard, and this sequence I am going to stick it here. Now I am going to stick some green beans grains we are using here to decorate this Rakhi. You can see how I am going to stick. If you don't have Fevicol you can use glues also, but this is a better if you use this Fevicol or the craft Fevicol if you have. Now I'm going to take some satin ribbon, three same size of the satin piece we required here. You can measure it approximately 1 feet we required. Now we are going to attach at one side, and now we are going to make some band for our Rakhi with this technique. If you have another technique you can use it here. This is one technique I am going to show you here for the band. This is very much common and simple technique for making a band. This is our band. Now we are going to color these cotton earbuds with some cool colors. I am taking white and violet fabric color here for the coloring, and with the brush I am going to apply a color here. Don't use water in a fabric colors. You can directly apply a color on these cotton earbuds so that it's dry easily and quickly. Cool colors means all the shades of the blue, green and violets we can use. Now this both the circles we are going to join together with the Fevicol, and at the woolen base we are going to stick this both the base. Now extra woolen threads or the sides we are going to cut it with the scissor. Now we are going to take two pieces of the masking tape and we are going to stick it here so that, and Fevicol also we are going to add so that we can stick this Rakhi. This is our Rakhi we are going to make. Now for the class 7 the topic is object from the nature and theme is warm colors. This Rakhi we are going to make. Let's see the material for the Rakhi. Fevicol, masking tape, scissor, flour, jute, some spice, then grains, jute thread, some grains, and some circular cardboard shape for the base of the Rakhi. Now we are going to take one bigger base, approximately 2 centimeter radius size circle, and we are going to stick these jutes on this base like this, so that we can decorate the edge of the circle like this. Small piece of this jutes we are going to arrange it on this circle base. Same size of the circle base, one more piece we required to hide this unnecessary shape of the jute, so that after sticking this shape we can only see the jutes come out from this circular shape. Now we are going to take on a flower, and these petals we are going to arrange it at the edge of the second circle base like this. First we apply on a fevicol at the edge of this second base of the cardboard, and single petals of the flower we are going to stick it at the edge of the circle carefully, so that it's look very beautiful and attractive. As well as the sticking is very much important. Keep patience and perfections while sticking these petals of the flowers at the edge of the circle. So after sticking all these petals, it looks like a real flower. Here I am using a warm color scheme, that is yellow, orange, red, brown color. So you need to use only the shades of the yellow, orange, red and brown color flowers. If you have any yellow, orange or brown shaped leaves, this also you can use here. Don't use green part of the flower. Here we going to stick on the remaining two shapes of the cardboard. Those are slightly smaller than this first shape. On the edge of the third circular base shape, we are going to stick on a weeds, one piece of the wheat we are going to stick it in sequence, so that it looks on a perfect and look attractive. You can see how we stick these wheats on the edge of the fourth shape of the base. We are sticking on a yellow grain. You can use different colors of the grains which are available at home, which are naturally get it from the nature. I am using here chana dal. If you want to use urdi dal or other grains also. At the center of this base we stick on a black peppers, and if you want to stick some dry fruits also, this also you can stick it here. Only the thing that you need to stick only or use only the object which is available from the nature. Now we cut the extra threads of the jutes, so it's look kind of proper. Now we are going to make a band. For that I am taking a jute thread. We are required 3 piece of the jute thread for the band of approximately 1 feet size. First you have to attach the one side of this thread, and then we are going to make a band. This is a simple technique to make a band. If you want to use different techniques you can use. I am showing a simple techniques for making a band, so that anybody can use this technique to make a band. Now this end also we are going to attach. Now this is our band, which is very much simple and attractive. Now extra thread also we are going to cut. This Rakhi we are going to stick it here. For that we require 2 pieces of the masking tape. Keep this piece below the band and stick it at the center of the band. On this masking tape we add some fevicol and stick it like this. This is our Rakhi we are making with the object from the nature. This is our final Rakhi, you can see. For the class 8, the topic is biodegradable material and theme is rainbow colors. This is our Rakhi. Let's see the material required for the Rakhi. Woolen threads, rough card, used mastics, then scissor, tissue papers, Fevicol, marble powder, pencil shavings, paper cups, brush, fabric colors and newspaper. First we take a paper cup and we are going to cut paper cup like this so that we can make a flower for the base of the Rakhi. You can make a different shape also with the paper cup for the base of the Rakhi. Now we are going to take some tissue paper and we are making a base for this paper cup flower from the lower sides. Now we are going to fold it this tissue paper like this, and from the lower sides we are going to stick it this tissue paper with the help of the Fevicol like this. Now we are going to color this flower with the fabric color. I am taking two colors here, violet and yellow color. We colors like this so that it looks like a flower. So from the center I am applying a violet color, and on the end part we applying a yellow color. So mixture of the two colors with the gradations we are showing here, so it looks better. Now we are taking a pencil shaving and two pieces we are going to join together with the Fevicol. Now we are taking a piece of the cardboard, and with this cardboard paper we are making a small shape of the circle. I applying a glue on it or Fevicol on it, and we are sticking a marble powder on this circle shape. We are going to color the pencil shaving with the red fabric color. In this Rakhi we are using a rainbow color scheme, so all the rainbow colors we are going to use it for the coloring purpose. Now this pencil shaving we are going to stick it at the center of this paper cup flower. You need to press this pencil shaving slightly here so that it stick it properly. Now we are taking used mastics and we are going to stick it on this pencil shavings to decorate this pencil shaving. If you want to use earbuds or the toothpicks for the decoration purpose, you can use it here because both are the biodegradable item. Now we are taking a newspaper and I am going to cut on a strip of the newspaper with the scissor. Long strip we required here. Now we are going to twist these paper strips like that. We mix on a thread here. This is on a thread we got, and after making the thread we are going to coil this thread and make another base for this Rakhi. While coiling this paper we need to stick in between also so that it attach together. Now this is our coil. Now this coil we are going to color with the orange fabric color and keep on aside for the drying. Now we are taking a woolen thread, three shades of the woolen thread we require. We are going to attach together green, pink and yellow color, and approximately 1 feet distance thread we required here, and we are going to make a band for our Rakhi here with the woolen threads. In 6 Rakhi we are using only one single color thread, but here we are taking three color shades, so we can use all the rainbow shades here. This is our band. Now this coil we are going to stick it at the center of this flower, and now here also we can decorate this coil with the used mastics. If you want to use different shapes and the objects for the decoration purpose, instead of the mastic you can use earbuds, toothpicks, or other than any biodegradable items you can use here. Whatever I got here I use here. Now we are going to stick this Rakhi on this woolen band. Because the size of the Rakhi is big, I am using a tissue paper base for this band. Now at the top we are going to stick this small circle with the marble powder. With the tissue papers we are making small tiny spheres and color with the yellow color to decorate the upper base of the Rakhi. This is our biodegradable Rakhi. Extra part of those petals we can cut with the scissor. I hope you understand this Rakhi making tutorials and demonstrations. This is our final Rakhi we got. This is our all three Rakhis. There are different ways of making a Rakhi at the home with the following theme. Try to make your own Rakhi. Thank you. Best of luck.